Hello.
Do you want
I lost my teeth this morning. Anyways, today we're going to be doing a very weird video. I found some weird things at Michael's. Where'd the bag go?
Here.
My stuff isn't in here. Oh. So yeah, guys. I found some weird things. We're going to be testing them out. Guess what they go to? SLIME. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what I got. I got these foam bead balls. They call it slime balls. Looks like we're gonna be making some foam for the very first time. I was determined to find instant snow. I kind of found some. This, I have no idea what this is. This is Deco Art Snow Tex. It is definitely not powder. That's for sure. Yeah, it's not powder. I have no idea. It smells weird. Anyways, we're gonna be mixing that into slime. And then I also found glitter glue sticks for our wonderful new glue gun, because the other one pooped on us. So yeah, I'm gonna be testing these out later in the video. And then of course I got my glue over here, my applicator. So alright, we got our bowls. I think we're gonna do the foam beads first. So, just gonna put in some glue. I think I'm gonna make it yellow. I've heard it expands it. Okay, and then we're gonna put the color. I'm gonna put, oops. Okay, so I made it yellow. Mix it in a little bit more. Now we can just activate it. Just gonna put in a little bit. I'll see you guys when the slime is activated. So I finished the slime. Now we can put in the foam bead ball things. So I think sorry. Yeah, let's just do that. Okay, so I got all my foam beads in here. I'm really excited. So I'm just going to drop it in.
The 4 months of hearings. And they said, yep, even though I was zigzagging, that it was a clear day, it was an easy target, he did it 6 nights. So even though that he testified, Japanese commander. And then just before, after the hearings of the court martial, after they took him to jail, great. That's one of the moments when he went and talked to the Japanese commander. He was sort of like outside of the building. And he was talking, Clay, what comes to name, the actor. But anyway, I get to the Japanese commander. And then they exchanged words.
So we have our flow.
He did what he had to do. I would have done the same thing, something like that. And he says, it was my duty as the commander of the submarine to kill you. And more time. And I said, Lord, just wish that we would
A little bit more.
have some senses because of all of this $1,000 will become that guy lived up to 70 years old, and they
So this is our film, guys.
It was a good story. And also, they interviewed a few of the guys that survived along with him. Because he was the last one to abandon the ship. And he got on the raft, the father died, and he looked at the right day, there's got to be more guys out.
Okay, so we're just going to go put this aside now.
And he
Now we can start on making Snowtech slime. Okay guys, so I'm going to make the white slime. Okay, I made my white slime. Now, it is time to put Intex snow in it. Okay. It's like, okay. So, I don't think this is powder. So, do you want to fill my other slime, Daddy?
Sure.
Okay.
Let's see it. Pretty cool. It's still wet feeling though. Slimy.
Slime is always wet feeling.
Yeah, but there's some that don't feel that slimy.
Because companies make them.
Yeah, professional, huh?
Professional people.
Cool stuff, G. Cool beans.
So I guess you could just put a little bit of this in here. It's weird. And so you're mixing it.
Oh, I think she got the point. Literally.
Okay. So it didn't really do anything at all. I do feel a little bit of some specks. You guys might be able to see that. Well, really nothing happened. It's a little bit more than last time. There's a lot. Like a mound. It's like cottage cheese. Dang. The giant pocket. Ooh, that feels so good. Okay, so
They had that one thing on.
this is definitely weird.
They had that like one thing where the bars were still open until 4 in the morning. Thank God it didn't pass. You know, that would have been bad.
So,
especially in a city where everybody drives. That's a bad mix. That's a really
I'm just
bad
gonna
mix.
put some more then, I guess.
No big deal, but here, no.
Okay, I'm just gonna see how much it can hold and get back to you guys. Okay, so I put like that much. That much. And this slime is so weird. It is not cloud slime at all. I don't know what I think of, but this is what the hey, put it in the camera. It wasn't my phone. Okay. This slime is very weirdly textured. It's really stretchy. It still has that regular slime texture. It didn't melt.
And what gets me, schools, they still have
Okay, so
fundraisers. What the fuck do you need me to help you out for? I pay my taxes, goddamn. And here they are with a bag of cash, yet schools still have
So,
fundraisers.
I think that's really all that I'm gonna put in.
That's why, honestly, Pop, I don't like the government. I don't like the government. I don't.
Okay, so I think I'm just gonna color this one. Wait, I think I have some purple coloring. I got purple coloring, so I'm gonna put some purple.
Should be voting, you know, but I think people are just fed up. Gas tax was specifically for what, though?
I put some purple in it.
Yeah. To fix the roads and to repair bridges.
I don't even know what happened to the purple. I don't even think I have enough purple. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can color it with a marker. So I'm gonna see if I can find a purple marker. Wait, no, I want to make this hot pink.
Welcome to California. Unreal. I know. Fucking pizza company.
And I don't think that's the worst.
Okay, I got like a pretty magenta color.
I think that's the worst. It has to be for real.
I think they actually did repair. I'll repair some holes, yeah.
Right? So, where $10 is nothing like that. To step up to the plate, say, look, guys, I know our government can't do it, but I'll do it for you.
Unbelievable. That just sucks. same white screw he's gonna need.
Just gonna put some color. Gonna mix it in now.
Yeah.
This is kind of like icy slime.
Yeah, it sucks too because all this overtime I work and I pay so many taxes and it goes to where? You know, just you guys, like I said, you guys are nothing but thieves.
Ooh, you can kind of start to see it.
You know, and it's almost exact same thing as...
Alright, I'm just gonna put as much as I need until I like it, the color that I want, and I will see you guys when I finish that. So I finished it, and it's baby pink. So let's start making a trend and see if we can call this new type of slime ice slime. So if you guys want to make ice slime, go ahead and go to Michael's. Find yourself a mini container of Deco Art Snow Tex. I got 118 milliliters. So, or 4 full ounces. So, yes. So just, you know, go get yourself some Deco Tex or Snow Tex Deco Art. Make yourself some ice slime. It's such a weird texture. Looks like soft serve. Now it is time to take a look at these glitter glue stick things. So while this heats up, I'm gonna put it over here. God. And we're gonna look at the different colors that it has. Open it up. Pour them out. I love this ice slime. Okay, so we're just gonna throw that over there. Let's look at the different colors that we have. So I'm gonna just sort these out real quick. Glorious. Okay, so this first color.
Here you go, G. There it is.
Hold on.
Good enough.
Ow.
Here you go, babe. For all your stuff, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. There you go. Those are for tools, silly. See it really quick?
I'm just gonna store that in there.
Change the wheels around and make it work. Get your slime.
Be careful with my icy slime. color is golden, a pretty gold color. We have silver. We have pink. We have whatever this is, pomegranate or something. We have red. We have blue. And we got some green. Now, I don't know what we're gonna glue together. So I am just in awe. I'm gonna use gold. I don't even know if this is warm yet. Oh. Does that mean it's on?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't want to force it. I want to see what happens. I want to see what happens. This is such cool slime, guys. Alright, sorry. So far nothing's happening. I was like, so far nothing's happening. Nothing's coming out yet.
Maybe it's still gotta get hot, babe.
Okay, I'll see you guys when it warms up.
Yeah.
First time it gets ready.
Oh, you know why? Because it's heavy, G. Should always put this one on the bottom one.
Okay.
The thing that is the heaviest.
Okay.
As a matter of fact, good.
Okay. This hot glue gun is weird. It's on the off button, and the light is off, and hot glue is still coming out. Look. Okay, it's gonna come out. See?
What the hell? Frankenstein.
Anyways, it's weird. Anyways, I'm working on putting my stuff in there. I'm gonna give you a tour when I'm done. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done putting all my stuff in there. So yeah. Okay, so I put all the stuff in here,
Cool.
and I have that stuff. So all the things that I have my ruler on the top. I have my activator on the top. My white glue, cornstarch, and really good super glue. And then in the green bin, I have my foam beads, the yellow, my colored glue sticks, yellow again, shaving cream, and the snow. skip this one. In this pink one, I have a golden clear slime. This is a fluffy slime. This is a cream cheese slime. This is our foam slime. And this is our ice slime. Going down to the lighter pink one, I have my pencils and markers. And purple one, I just have my duct tapes. And I haven't put anything in these yet. So, yas. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.